Hi, good morning. So we are middle of our SRE thing, and for that we have set up everything on this primary for Terraform and Ansible to configure um, OS. So we have already prepared Postgres primary and replica nodes, and in between we have thought of implementing a EFM Enterprise Failover Manager for of EDB Postgres. So for that, we it is not supported above Red Hat 9. So since we have we have prepared that environment using CentOS 10. So now we are going to prepare through Red Hat 9. So I've downloaded it and installed it on the server, and I will let you know. So this is the server, and then let me shut it down. Shut down. So I'm doing the experiments. You can check what all things I'm doing and where I'm getting stuck. And for that, okay. So once you are done that, once you have created this OS, then in the security, you need to select this before installing the uh, REHL 9. Earlier I have done this, so I got the issue. So once you have used Microsoft UEFI certificate authority, then only the bootable disk will be used. Okay, and all these things will be there. So one OS drive we have created. Okay, so we have installed it, the Red Hat 9. Okay, so now what we will do, I made it off, and by default it has gone to our this one RHL 9. So as per our requirement, we have to create 3 files from this only. I'm not going to install through Terraform and all that later on part. So for the other things, we are first focusing on the SRE part on the pre-installed OS, and then rest of the thing on Postgres we will do it. Okay, so we have this file. There's a hard vhdsk. Okay, now we have to copy this. I don't know whether it is copy, and we'll go back, and here we'll create 3 times. Okay, it is getting copied. So as per our main.yaml, I'll show you. Main.yaml, we have pg-primary-os. Like this we have to do. Now first we will rename it. Okay, rename is pg-primary-os. Yeah, it is taking. Then we'll paste it again. So we have already installed. We just have to create more devices on that. Yeah, pg replica -01-os. Yeah, and another one new. Again, rename it. pg hyphen replica hyphen 02 hyphen os. So our these three are okay. We have created it. Now we'll go back to this, and since it is still already running, okay. Now we will connect to it. Yeah, it is there. So might be, yeah. This is the one. Okay, here we are. So okay, this is our basically main folder. Okay, so here we have, you can see it is I don't know, one folder I've created ansible, one is terraform. When you create ansible and three terraform, sorry. So these are the file system is visible. Okay, so we'll make it color. Okay, somewhat is it is visible. Okay, we'll make it yeah, I think this is good. So you can see it right now. This is my Ansible tree, and this is our Terraform tree. So I will get into less like we'll go one by one. Inventory, what is there inside inventory? We are not in that Terraform. Now we'll do less. Okay. So this is the one. Primary replicas. Okay. Okay. And then I will do main OTF. So you can see, right? So you want data wall archive to be like this, and I can make changes. So all this we want like this, and resource name PG primary, 4 GB memory we have given, processor count 2, hard drive. See here, this is the one I was talking about. So in the PG cluster, we have created PG primary OS, like this, PG primary OS, PG replica. Okay, so data will be there, and then okay, so let's go to the here, the replica disk. See, yeah, like this, it will be there. And network adapter is this one, static switch, not, I think, we'll write one here. Okay, let it be there. So this is what the other two instances will be running with 2 GB for the time being. Okay, that's the one. Okay, we can. Fantastic. Done. Okay. So this is our this file. Then cat other files output .tf. We have this. What is that? Memory static IP and all. PG master replica for static IPs and all. Okay. Then we have cat provider TF. Yeah, password and all. We will keep it here. Okay. And cat this variables. See variables is there, right? Yeah, variables are there. We have defined what is static secondary IPs. Hyper-V password. Okay, Hyper-V. Okay, what else is there? We have what and that TF, terraform TF state. Okay, mm-hmm. Terraform. So there is no state and all. Okay, so these are the ones, and we will go to next cd slash ansible. Okay, here we have what we have gone through all of them. Cat this ls playbook. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. We have removed it. So many things are there inside roles. Storage setup is there. EFM, MongoDB, there's this. So if you go back to here, when I vi it or cat it, Postgres install. So I have to mention what all things like storage setup, then Postgres setup, then EFM setup. This for them. So we have roles. Under the roles we have main task, and then under task we have main.yaml for each. So that's the way it works. Okay, let's try. Once that is done, we can go back. Okay, so are we good to go? Yeah, let's start it. Uh, Ansible hyphen playbook, right? Hyphen your host name, wherever is the host name. That in our case we have put it in the inventory. Okay, I'm just getting that. Yeah. So not this one. Just this. Yeah, okay. So if anything from that YAML file, you need to specifically install like EFM or storage or setup. So so that was the command. Okay. So now as the host.ini. Let's go to this before this and cat this one. Okay, so what we have set is 21, 22, and 20. Primary is for 20, then two replicas. This fantastic. So we are ready to launch it. Let's see whether it will be failing or passing. Gathering facts. So it has to build the server first. Install Postgres cluster. No, that should not be the case. Okay. Storage setup. Install we don't have. Let's get into that storage setup. Mm, terraform NIT. Okay, then terraform apply. Okay, I'll check it once. Okay, we need to build the infrastructure first. So we should not have run that ansible. Okay, so since it's a new and that after the standard command sequence to deploy and manage your infrastructure. So let's validate terraform validate. Okay, okay, validate. Configuration is valid. Very good. Terraform plan. Hmm. So there we have some issue. I think what is that? Unable to find a virtual machine with name PG primary. PG replicas. Hmm. Let's see what is this issue. Rather than that, we will highlight what changes Terraform will make to your infrastructure, create, update, and destroy without any actually applying them. Produce the use plan output to save the plan to file for a guaranteed consistent apply later. Okay. Execute the action proposed in the plan to reach your desired state. If you didn't save a plan, it will generate a new one. Yes, Terraform destroy. Useful maintenance command. State list. Hmm. So this one we need to remove. Okay, so this was the thing which we have to remove. Okay. Terraform remove. Terraform remove. So we have in earlier state list. We need to delete them before proceeding. Yeah, okay. State rm. Okay. So terraform state rm, you name it, terraform state rm. Great. So what we will do, we'll copy this all to a notepad like this here, and we'll keep typing from here to here. Terraform state rm, and at the end we'll put this to get early. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, it is done. Okay. Terraform state list still there. Terraform state rm. Why these are not getting removed? Yeah. Okay. Small things are there which will create problem in lives. So we have to solve them in between, otherwise. Okay, yes. We are about to close this one. Nice. And there we go. Terraform state list again. Yeah, we don't have anything. Terraform plan. Okay, great. So without any issues, it has generated this plan. Wow, fantastic. Okay. You can save it, plan, happen out. Terraform dot plan. Now you apply it. Let's do it. Sure, right? Yes. We need to provide yes. Okay. I'll not stop the session. We can go through what all things it is doing. Still creating. So let's go back to the folder. Yes, it is creating, right? You can see. Started with all archive data of replica 2. Then we have primary data, admin, replica 2 admin. Okay, so it is going forth and backward. OS is done. Admin wall, replica primary admin. Yes, you can see this, right? Now go back to the screen. Yeah.